routine, I'm gonna prime my lips with some lip balm, and this is the Beauty Treats Lip Care Avocado Hydrating Lip Care. Then after that, I'm going to add some eye cream to my eyes. So next off, I'm gonna prime my face, and this is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and it looks like this. I like it a lot. It's really good for adding radiance and evening out the skin tone. I'm gonna use a stippling brush. And I did do my brows off camera. I have a tutorial on that if you want to know how I do my brows. It's pretty much the same. The video is a year old, but it's still the same. I am taking my BB cream, the Kiehl's Skin Tone Correcting Beautify BB Cream Sunscreen SPF 50, and it also has vitamin C. I love this BB cream. I've been using it for like 2 years now, honestly, and it is my favorite. So I just put it on my hand like that, and I'm gonna dot it on. This color is it depends on the season, but like sometimes it's too light for me and sometimes it's too dark. I think it might be a little too dark for me right now. I don't know yet. Not until I blend it out. I think it's too light right now, actually. And then I'm gonna take my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige, and I'm just gonna use this for my under eye concealer. Take my Airspun powder, and I'm gonna bake under my eyes, and I'm going to use one of these disposable wedges. Okay. So now I'm gonna move on to bronzer, and I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. It looks like this. It's my favorite bronzer, and I'm gonna be using a blush brush or bronzing brush, whichever you prefer. It's all the same. Just gonna put that on. To add some highlight, and I'm going to be using the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter. It looks like this, and this is in the shade Snap. I got this from shopmissa.com, which is a really good website if you're just looking for inexpensive makeup. Their website, basically all of the products are $1. And I really love it because, like, honestly, when you are wearing highlighter every day, it's not necessary to wear a $40 highlighter every day. And I got this brush too from Shop Miss A. I love this highlighter brush. And I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna use my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. And I'm just gonna spray my brush. And this will make your highlighter last so much longer. So much brighter. Sometimes I go overboard with the highlights, but I just love my highlight, you know. Since I had to put powder on my face, I did not put on a brow gel, so I'm gonna use the Milani clear brow shaping gel, and it's like that. Very cute. And spray my face with my NYX Dewy setting mist. So now that the face is done, you can just pop on some lip gloss and some mascara or lashes, however you feel, and you can call it a day. Or you can go ahead and beat your face, do some cute ass eyeshadow and do a dark lip or whatever color lip you want, and you're set. If you're doing a nighttime look, just change out the foundation for something without SPF and you'll be Gucci. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you're here to watch my other videos and see me in my journey of I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But if you're here, thank you. If you're not, I don't know why I'm talking to you, but bye. Now you're looking all cute. I'm gonna be so bad, which I should have put my fucking contacts on, but you know, laziness is a bitch.